So we've looked at numeric series. I want to take a look at Boolean series, which are actually treated just like numeric, where true is equal to 1 and false is equal to 0. So if you have a Boolean series, you can call all of these same methods that we've done throughout this notebook because Pandas treats Booleans as numeric. So let's just say Sal, for instance, and let's create a Boolean series. We want to check to see if the salary is greater than 50K. So I'm going to assign it to a new variable called sal 50K. Just look at the first few. So that's the answer. It's about 50-50 right now. So sal 50K. So we can do this. If we take the max, it's not very interesting. That is, true is equal to 1, so that's the max, and the min will be false, of course. But you can sum up this series. So what this does is it sums up all of the true values. Those are equal to 1. False is equal to 0. So there's 14,000 employees that have a salary greater than 50K. So pretty cool. You could also take the mean of this series, which is a little bit different. It's kind of hard to decipher what this means. It says 0.577. This means 57.7 percent have a salary greater than 50,000. So the mean is just if you don't understand this, it's just the sum divided by the total count. That's just the definition of the mean, right? So if we took the sum and divided it by, I need to actually divide it by the count, not the length. That'll give me a slightly different answer. And so that's equal to the mean. That's the calculation. So we don't ever write it like this. But this is just that fraction. This is the total number that are over 50K, and this is just the total number of salaries we have. So this should hopefully convince you that this number is the fraction of salaries that are greater than 50K. If we multiply it by 100, which we can just do this, we can get a percentage. So about 57.8% of the employees have a salary greater than $50,000. You can do this all in one line of code. It's a little bit more complex if you haven't seen it before. So I can do this. That's that same thing here. I've just put parentheses around it. That means I can do dot mean. So this will apply the mean method to this new series right here, which is just what's seen over here. And I will get the same answer like that. All right. So just a few operations there on a Boolean series, and it's treated just the same as other numeric series that are 1, except the values really are 1 and 0.